super cool, guys. Got this eagle sitting on the bank. It's just amazing. If you can see him flipping around there, that he's just down the bank from me. You can see on the camera. That's what he looks like there. That is so cool. Eagles just amaze me. No matter how long I've been up here, anytime I can see these guys, it's super, super cool to get back to shooting this guy some more. So eagles are actually fairly not super easy to photograph. Sorry, I got one that just got another eagle that just flew in and landed up here close to me. That's cool. But anyway, back to what I was going to say. Eagles are kind of hard to expose for because, especially if we got a lot of sun on them, they will. I've got about 12 eagles here, so yeah, I keep catching my attention. Sorry. They're kind of hard because they've got the white heads and dark bodies. If you got a lot of sun, it's real hard not to blow out eagle. So you'll tend to want to try to underexpose them, and the problem is there you can lose your darks. So getting the exposure is super tricky. Got a juvenile flying probably 7 feet above my head looking at me. This guy's backlit, so I'm gonna get some really. It's looking to be a lot easier. And he's actually a little bit in shadow. So it's a little easier to photograph than it is. But yeah, you'll get super annoyed when you're shooting eagles. You'll get that blown out head to blow the whites out. So it's tricky. What I try to do is put my Instagram, put it just a little left to center. You can turn blinkies on too. Oh, sorry, I took a picture. Sorry guys, juvenile came in and ran off the male, and actually the batteries went down on my camera, so I got to grab a new battery. So anyway, exposure, eagles wear you out, mess you up. So try to underexpose the big males a little bit, and hopefully you'll not blow up that head. And you recover the shadows a little bit, especially on a full frame on the body. Juveniles, you can just shoot normally. You can overexpose them a little bit. So I got to get another battery for this camera, and I'll talk to you just a little bit. Got the battery replaced, and that juvenile still is sitting on that food, and it's crazy that adult sitting back just letting him get at it. Pretty cool. Eagles are just amazing to capture. You can find them all over Alaska. Like I said, here at 20 miles, a good spot. It's the 1st of April. There's not a lot of traffic down here. I got a few people stopping, a few of the photographers, but you pretty much got them all to yourself. And it's a gorgeous day today too. So Awesome, awesome. Anyway, places to find eagles around here is any body of water along the coastline, along the rivers, especially when the salmon are running. Any halibut carcasses. Got an anchor point. Deep Creek's a great place towards Homer. Seward, Anchorage, just pretty much anywhere. But along these rivers, especially next to the inlet, this stuff is going to wash up these eagles and we sit here eating it. So it's amazing. So I want to get back to shooting these eagles some more. And I'll talk to you here in a bit. Oh, guys, that was pretty cool. I had to get back up to the truck to warm up. It's the first week of April here in Alaska, and it's a nice, beautiful, clear day, but it was, left the house, it was 10 degrees this morning. The wind is probably blowing about 20-25, but there's nothing to block it right here, so it's just even the gloves on my hands are frozen. And it's blowing dust off and the silt off these banks and just chewing it in my mouth. The joys of wildlife photography. There's probably 12 to 15 eagles right here, and it's right in front of me. And farther up this little channel before it goes into the inlet, I probably see another 30-40 eagles just all along here. The ones I was taking pictures of looks like they're eating either a seal or a part of a moose carcass that had washed up over here, and I think it may be seal because I see a lot down there, and wouldn't expect these eagles to be right here in probably a month. I would, because of the hooligan that run through. They're like a little anchovy smelt looking type fish, and they get thick here, but something else they're eating, so I'm kind of curious what else they're after, unless it's just this carcass. But it's really weird to see this many eagles with just one little piece of a carcass. But eagles are a fun bird, and they are just flying and hovering everywhere, so it's just amazing. But again, I had to run to the truck to warm up and get thawed back out, and I may go take some more pictures. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video and the pictures I've taken today. And again, if you like the channel, or just leave some comments, tell me what you think of it, what you think of the video so far, anything you'd like to see, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.